afternoon, guys. We are going home now. The time now is 3 o'clock. Yeah, 3:05 when I sign out. Nice today. Today is very busy. Amazing. Not busy because so many guests. Busy but because of preparation. Yeah. There are so many people today. Very windy this time. A lot of people are flying their glider. Oh, yo, we go this way. Yeah, I was coming from the marina. I am supposed to stay there, but yeah, if I stay, it means that I need to spend again at least $5 for the coffee. Yeah, that's why I decided to. I'll just go home. I have coffee at home. I saved $5. Baby, you should pay my love. Good afternoon, guys. We are going home now. Yeah, it is a busy day today. It started at around 5:30. I start my duty at 5:30 because I come early because I know that I have a lot of things to do. Because I didn't do the things yesterday. Because yesterday is also busy. So I decided to come early this morning so that I can, recover with what I missed to do yesterday. Yeah, and today also. Yeah, tomorrow I also need to come early because there are things that I didn't able to do today. Very busy. Start from 5:30 and continuous work. Busy until just a while ago, maybe 15 minutes ago. Very busy, mate. Passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on myself, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be someone's waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers go walking past. All of my life, wonder how they met and what next in life. If I found a face, would I recognize the face? Afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. We are going home now. 3:45. Yeah, I start my duty at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, very early in the morning, and then I just finished at 3:40. Long hours today, mate. We're going to buy kid fish and chips. One of these and kid fish and chips. Kid fish and chips. Yeah, this is events board, notice board. Thank you. this is something like a reward because I was very busy and tired. Yeah. We're just going to sit down here. Oh, looks like he cuts one. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, good size. Yo, it is now 7:30. Yeah, but outside is still bright like that. Outside is like that. Oh, I received a new package. This is coming from Sokani. Yeah, this is basically a GoPro lights, and this is waterproof. Yeah, nice. And the same like the shoes, the same like the leather shoes, the same like the pre-wheel GoPro accessories. This one is also like a sponsor. Yeah, they sent it to me to try, but not today. I'm going to try that next time. Yeah. You know these days it's getting a little cooler. Yeah, summer is going to end, and yeah, you really feel the difference between the summer and the winter. If you see me during winter in my winter vlog, you see me that I'm fully clothed with like a 3-4 layers of clothing, and it's still cold. But during summer like this, it's very comfortable. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, there's nothing much happening these past few days. Life is just good, mate. We are always looking for positivity in life. Yeah, and we'll see you next time.